Welcome to unboxing video. What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I've got a couple of things that I purchased over the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then I was able to clutch both of these things, both of these items right here today. I was going to unbox both of them on this video. However, I actually sold the Xbox today, so that's going to be leaving us pretty soon. But I did want to show y'all this. I was able to snag both of them. Oh, see how they feel. They feel so good. Yeah, this feels nice. All right, so I want to go ahead and get this unboxed because I do plan on playing tonight, and I got to get it out of the box and such and so on and so forth. I will say one thing about this is not gonna be like a super technical unboxing or anything. I just want to get it out of the box, show you what we got, and yeah, move on. So the thing about this is that I can tell right off is that the PS5 is a lot lighter than the Xbox. This is the Series X Xbox. Both of them was the same price, $499. I'm sure you all know that if you have been looking at these consoles for a while, but I did want to open it up and show you what comes inside of the box. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is want to say goodbye to the Xbox. It's gone, it's sold. Sit over there and you can watch us unbox this over there. And let's see what we got in the box. So I'm going to tell you my story real quick. I'm going to put this video out at a very obscure time because I'm just going to put it out. There's no time limit. I'm just going to put it out whenever this video gets done. But so tonight, which today is December the 5th, Saturday night, it's 10:08 p.m. Me and my sister April, if you don't follow our other channels, Pallet Jacking, I've been trying to get one of these PlayStation 5s for quite a while. We was over here filming the unboxing and her phone rung out, and it was actually her husband saying, hey, y'all need to go over to the Walmart right now. They got stock. So the way he was able to get this alert was through brickseek.com. If you go on brickseek.com, you can look up the SKU of the PlayStation 5, and then it'll take you to a screen where you can input your zip code. You put your zip code in and it'll tell you if your Walmart has stock. Now, I think tomorrow, December 6th, is going to be the official launch, like through Target maybe or something like that. There's some kind of rumor going on right now about the launch through Target. But if you go on BrickSync and you see that your store has stock, they physically have the units in the store. I don't care what they tell you when you call them. If you go up there and you ask them if they're willing to sell it to you, they do have them in stock. And the way that I kind of devised that, I guess, mindset or thinking was because we purchased these when we looked on BrickSync. It said they had more than 6 available. That's what the normal thing says whenever they do have stock, or it says limited stock, or it says out of stock. And it said that they had more than 6 available. They had 8 in the store. I physically saw the employee go to the back, bring them to the front, dump them out of a brown box, and boom, there they were. So they actually had 8 of these, and then they sold all 8 of those at that point, and now it says that they're out of stock. So it is tracking the inventory somewhat. So if your store shows that you have more than 6 available, or if you have some stock available, they do probably physically have the PlayStation 5s in stock. Now, that doesn't mean that they're going to sell them to you. Just because they have them in stock don't mean they're going to sell them to you. So there's that. But anyway, I was able to get my hand on this one. And so we're going to unbox this and see what we got. I don't have my fancy knife today, so I've got this other one that I got from Walmart. All right. So let's see how much of an elevated experience we get from unboxing this. I don't think I've watched any unboxings of the PlayStation 5, mostly because I was aggravated that I couldn't get one myself, just to be honest with you. I've already torn the box, which is not great. You know, these boxes are actually selling on eBay for like $65, which is crazy. So it looks like there's, oh, okay. So we have a I guess the power cable. Nothing too special there. We do have a controller here. Go ahead and pull that out. Now, this controller, I have seen a couple of videos about the controllers and stuff like that. You know, it has like a really cool, it has a different feel. It's different than what the other controllers look like. It feels a little bit different. It feels good. It feels premium. It feels real solid. It has very similar buttons to the PlayStation 4. Oh, I just turned on that mean too. But it is a really a nice controller. I'll probably end up getting a couple more controllers because I always have multiple controllers with my PlayStations. All right, so we have some literature, just the box, nothing great there. I probably should not be unboxing this like sideways because everything's kind of falling out, but whatever. All right, so we have a HDMI cable. That's that. And then we have something else here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is the stand. So I believe you can stand this up vertically or you can stand it up horizontally or sit it down horizontally. So this is the stand for that. And we'll look at that here just a minute once we get the actual console out. Oh. I can see it down in there. All right, let's pull it out. Get out of there. Come on. There's nothing else in the box. So I can see that. Ooh. All right. At least roll that beautiful B-roll footage. All right, so nothing really major here to see. I'm sure you all have seen the design of it. You've seen what it is, what it looks like. I can already tell that this top part is going to be probably a fingerprint magnet and a dust magnet, but that's okay because it looks really good. It has some really cool ports in the back. It has an HDMI port. It has a plug-in for your network cable. It also has two USB slots, and then it has the power adapter. And then on the front, it has another USB and it has a USB-C on the front, and then it has two buttons. This is the disc version. I don't believe that they're going to have the digital version in store anytime like soon, but you know, I don't know, maybe they will. So I'm going to get this hooked up in my little gaming room. I actually bought a new TV and I got like a little rocker chair for my gaming room. So I'm gonna get this set up in my gaming setup and we will see how it looks and how it feels. That's going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. I am going to be unboxing the Mac Mini with the M1 chip. That is my next unboxing video because I did snag one of those as well. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.